Hello friends, your welcome is on YouTube channel WMBT Traders Academy. Today we will discuss about what is capital market and its types. Capital market is a platform where individuals and institutions are buying and selling of financial securities. Financial securities means shares, bonds, mutual funds, derivative instruments, etc. Types of capital market is primary market, AMP, secondary market. A primary market, a market for new issues of securities, where investors apply directly to the issuer for allotment and pay application money to the issuer's account. The transactions in the primary market result in new capital formation. Such capital is raised through initial public offering, IPO, FPO. Initial public offer, IPO, is when an unlisted company makes fresh issue of securities for the first time to the public. Any unlisted company can raise money from public through this process. A follow-on public offer, FPO, is an offer by a company which is already listed on the stock exchange to sell more shares to the common public. The difference between an IPO and FPO is that in an IPO, the company gets listed for the first time using an IPO process. However, after listing, if the company wants to raise funds a second or third time, it is called a follow-on public offer. Secondary market, a place where investors purchase or sell securities from other investors. Investors can buy or sold the securities through exchanges. In other words, once the stock get listed in primary market or started trading in secondary market. In next video we learn IPO process, role of merchant bankers in IPO, types of investors, face value, and learn lots of more things. Thanks for watching.